Good evening students, today we discuss page number 152, 12th lesson. A few women are intellectually very creative, sensitive about the importance of the human education, humanist education. Few of women are describing about women education. At the same time, even though the study of the literature promises of offer no reward for the women, no dignity. So, men's how they get through their educational knowledge they get a reward. That in manner, women's also though they are knowledgeable, though they are inventions, though they are truly literate, but not recognized. So even women art the empirical studies wrote Venita Cassandra Fidel. She was the one of the handful of women who questioned the idea of that women are incapable of achieving the equality of humanist scholars. So women are not treated equally as the humanist scholars. And she was discussed. And Fidel was known as the proficiency of Greek and Latin languages. She was invented to give the orientation at the University of the Fidel's writing of the bring the focus on general regarding the education of the age. She was one of the family Vietnam women writers who criticized the Republic, creating the highly limited definition of the freedom forward to the desert the men's over these the women. So criticizing about the men's given full freedom, but at the same manner women are discouraged and are criticized. They are limited in part to given the independence. This was not right. She was a fight and she was given to idea to equal status of the women as like as the women men. So another remarkable woman was Marchesa Mantusu and Isabella D'Este. She was ruled the state where she was her husband was absent. The port of Mantu, a small state, was formed into the intellectual brilliance. Women's writing revealed their conviction that they should be have economic power, property, and education to achieve their identity, and the world dominated by the men. So Isabella D'Este is also one of the greatest feminists made to given more freedom or given to struggle to given the right as like men how they get rights. Such were not given to which was trying to award the hard work. Now debate with the Christianity the Reformation. Trade and travel, military conquest or diplomatic contact in the Italian towns and port with the world behind. The new culture was admired and intimated by the education of the wealthy. All these things make the Italian culture enriched because of the trade in the traditions all over worldwide. May come to the trade and relations are educated the wealthy. So very few of the new ideas filtrated down the ordinary man who are after all do not read and write. So before all they are not read and write very well, but intellectual persons are right. Who should have the earliest that church has dominated the religious and cultural life of the people of medieval times. Medieval times, only church has the more power. In this process, it has become very powerful and rich, also so corrupted. Sometimes, what are the church part of who are there involved, they are corrupted. The same wealthy people also corrupting methods. The humanist scholars began to attack in this question the need for the priesthood and the interference of the Christianity. For the priesthood, it is given the ideology. What are they saying about the Christian? What is true brotherhood, true love story? What are the how to we are respect to give the equal right to give others. So in manners it is questioning. In the 15th century, in the 15th early 16th centuries, many of the scholars at universities of the North Europe member of the church who are attracted by humanist ideas. So they are like the Italian colleagues. They too focus on the classical Greek and Roman text along with the holy book of the Christians. So the northern countries of humanist member of the church of called Christians practice a religious area the laid down in the ancient text of the religious, discarding unnecessary rituals which are condemned as not tradition in the simple religions. So unnecessary what are there in joining they are not to condemned. Related addition to the simple reason, this was the radical new view of the human beings free from the rational agents. Later, you can observe the philosopher of the written of this overall. The inspired of the belief of the distant God who created man but allowed him to completely freedom of his love and freely infused happiness here and now. The Christian humanists like Thomas More from England and Erasmus from Holland. These are helped that church became an institution marked by the greed and exporting money into the will farm out the ordinary people. One of the favorite methods of the clergy was to sell the indulgence documents which were apparently freed for the buyer from the burden of their sins and had to commit it. This one also criticized methods. They are criticizing because the indulgence, that is a papa parihara. In Telugu it is saying it is not right to what are the before sins are excused by their if they have purchased these type of document in the church. So these are criticizing. This is not right way. They are answering. So Christian came to the realize that from the Purity translation Bible local languages, their language did not permit to such practices. So when the language is the Bible language from what are the Hebrew language, Urdu language onwards, the Yoga language onwards, if they are translated into the local languages, so they can understand what the message are given to the Bible. They can understand, and they are also not to permit such practices. Now, almost in Europe, the Christians began to rebel against the text imposed by the church, which were the common folk result extroits of the churchmen. The princes found their entry into the work of the state irritating. Sometimes the church also involved in the administration system. That's why the princes who are the ruled in self-states are irritating the church influence. That's why they are attack on the church's activities. In 1517, a young German monk called Martin Luther launched the campaign against the Catholic Church and argued that a person did not need to priest to establish the contact with God. Martin Luther arguing that he established the today we can have the Protestant. Actually, church has to Roman Catholic, that against one is the Protestant methods are introduced by the Martin Luther King. He questioned what the church is questioning. The priesthood is not necessary. There is no need for any mediator between the God to human. So we only can pray to our Lord. That is, methods are supported. He asked the follower how to complete the faith of the God. For faith alone could guide them to right life and enter into the heaven, but not made to by the what the priest says. This movement is called the Protestant Reformation, lead to church in Germany, in Switzerland, break down the connection with the Pope and the Catholic Church. In Switzerland, Luther idea, which was popularized by the Ulrich Zwingli, and later it was John Calvin, and backed with by merchants. Reformer has to great popular appeal in the towns. With while we are observed the rural areas, the Catholic Church managed the retain of the influence, but major urban areas are understood by these Protestant movement. Other German reforms like Anabaptists, who are even more radical, they are blended the idea of the salvation with the end of the all form of the social oppression. They said that since God has created all people are as equal, they were not expected by their paid taxes to and the right to choose their priest. This is not a right given to any taxes to the priest. They are opposed to these methods. And also one of the church methods are before the taxes laid on the church and compulsory need to collect from the who are the come to the churches and the public. So these appeal to the patient oppressed by the feudalism. A major achievement of reforms was the translation of the Bible into the popular language. The people printed a large quantity of making them available of the people. Early Bible was only in Latin language. Which one is ordinary people did not understand what the priest says. So these one the confusing are avoided after the printing of the Bible. The idea of the Reformation took hold of many people in Germany, Holland, France, England, and all the countries people were developed the faith of the interpretation of the Christianity emerged. Thus the monopoly of the Catholic Church was ever the right as the cons of the church. What are their rights that known as broke down, and immediately they are take the decision. And also we can understand the Catholic Church itself do not escape the impact of this idea and began to reforms from all within the Spain and Italy. The churchmen emphasizes the need to a simple life and the service to the poor people. There almost they can understand the church has to need to give the service who are need the poor in education or health. So in Spain, Ignacio Loyola, who had an attempt to combat the Protestantism, which one set up the Society of the Jesus in 1540. His followers are called Jesuits, whose missions are to serve the poor and providing their knowledge to their cultures. So we can understand how the church is also accepted the new methods and how to we are giving to the respect to the poor people and how to we are serve the poor people which one is chosen by the God. So these are the real Christianity they can understand after the Catholic Church. Okay, tomorrow we discuss.